Little bastard. What I gotta do is figure out if I could install part of this floor to pass this door frame backwards. Immediately, the first plank I could tell that I won't be able to. I think a little time-lapse action is needed. The 9-amp-hour battery on the multi-job tool, amazing. See, look at this, I don't like this at all. I could probably squeeze a piece in there. I might have a shaving out there that I can squeeze in there. I just got a belt sander. I was able to shimmy that down like that. Let's see if this fits. Not too bad. See if this fits. Oh, look at that. I am 100% going against what I normally do. But this is what I gotta do to be able to use the second bedroom without having to get these two rooms done at once. Alright, so this is what I got done so far. I successfully accomplished what I wanted to do. I did need to tap into the second bedroom a little bit, as you can see right here. I can easily cover this up as I paint the ceiling and the trim, because it's only two planks. But I could stop here, and since that's going to be like that anyways, that's fine. So yes, it looks really good so far. It does. I am currently doing the last two pieces of the floor, and I got this guy just stalking me because I have food. Can I get you a kiss? Thank you. Oh, last two pieces. Let's see if you freaking go. Oh, perfect. Now, if I can only get this to... Oh, come on, I want to be done with this. Let's clean off this camera. Oh God, I am beat. All right, yeah, let's go check out that floor, then I'm out. What was that? Oh. All right, so what I got done today is I got this going on there. I was forced to do that to continue on to the bedroom. But I got here, this line right there, and back done. I got in here complete. It looks really good. That looks really good. Yeah. Even my bottoms of the doors look good on all angles over here. See, the right tool for the right job. See, this looks like crap right here, but we have to deal with that. I don't have the tools that I have now, so yeah. This compared to this, big difference. Yes, this is David Nicholas. I'm out.